UI designers specialize in designing the visual elements of digital products such as websites, mobile apps, and software interfaces. As a UI designer, your primary responsibility would be to create visually appealing and functional digital products that meet user needs and provide a seamless user experience. This would involve creating wireframes, prototypes, and high-fidelity mock-ups to visualize design concepts and solutions. You would use typography, color, and layout to create beautiful designs that align with the brand's visual identity and style guidelines. You would also work on design systems and design specifications that ensure consistency and coherence in design elements, such as color palettes, typography, and iconography. Collaboration with cross-functional teams, including developers, engineers, and project managers, is crucial in the UI design process. You would work closely with these teams to ensure that the product design is technically feasible, meets business goals, and delivers an exceptional user experience. UI designers who work in the United States make an average of $82,566 every year, ranging from about $45,000 to approximately $145,000. UX or user experience designers focus on how customers interact with a product or service. UX designers do extensive research on how people experience a product, then brainstorm solutions for improving that experience. They develop insight into their ideal customers' feelings, requiring them to be empathetic and strategic when creating a design. As a UX designer, your primary responsibility would be to ensure that digital products meet users' needs and provide an enjoyable user experience. This would involve conducting user research to understand user behavior, needs, and pain points. You would analyze the data gathered from user research and identify pain points from the user's perspective. Once you have identified user pain points, you would use ideation techniques such as brainstorming to generate ideas that solve users' problems. You would then design user flows and information architecture that ensure a seamless user experience. To ensure the product's usability, you would conduct usability testing to identify any usability issues and opportunities for improvement. Through this process, you would work collaboratively with cross-functional teams, including developers, engineers, and project managers, to ensure that the product meets business goals and objectives. UX designers who work in the United States make an average of $81,119 every year, ranging from about $50,000 to approximately $165,000. UX and UI are not the same, but they are intertwined, which is why you'll see the title UX/UI designer used so much. In essence, UX/UI designers are responsible for creating user-friendly interfaces by combining both visual design and user experience expertise into one role. At the core of their responsibilities lies designing easy-to-use interfaces that encourage people to interact with digital products. This involves designing and prototyping interfaces that are visually appealing, intuitive, and easy to use, creating user personas, user flows, and wireframes to design user-centered interfaces, continuously iterating on designs based on user feedback and business goals, and conducting user research to understand user needs and preferences. UX/UI designers who work in the United States make an average of $80,134 every year, ranging from about $50,000 to approximately $160,000. The product designer role is relatively new and overlaps in many ways with the UX designer role. However, a key distinction is that, as its name suggests, a product designer pays special attention to the product, on top of the user's experience. The primary responsibility of a product designer is to design products that meet user needs and expectations. This also includes planning the product's roadmap. Product designers also learn about users and their behaviors through conducting surveys, interviews, and usability testing. As a product designer, you would be also responsible for creating prototypes and continuously improving products based on feedback. Product designers also engage in brainstorming sessions to generate ideas for improving the product and collaborate with cross-functional teams to bring these ideas to fruition. Product designers working in the U.S. make an average of $108,065 per year, with $55,000 being the lowest reported salary and $175,000 being the highest one. A UX researcher is a professional who specializes in understanding user behavior and needs through research and data analysis. Their role is to identify user problems and pain points and recommend solutions to improve the overall user experience. Through qualitative and quantitative user research methods, such as interviews, observations, surveys, and field studies, UX researchers gain deep insights into users' needs and preferences. They then analyze this data to draw meaningful conclusions and make concrete design proposals that other designers in the company can use to inform their designs. UX researchers may also be called on to test and improve designs through evaluative research like usability testing. As a UX researcher in the United States, you would make an average of $96,812 every year, ranging from about $50,000 to approximately $160,000. A graphic designer is a professional who creates visual content for various mediums, including print, digital, and social media. Their role is to develop and design visual concepts that communicate ideas and messages to the intended audience effectively. Graphic designers can work in a wide range of industries, including advertising, publishing, marketing, and web design. The primary responsibility of a graphic designer is to create visual concepts that effectively communicate the intended message to the target audience. This can include designing advertisements, logos, brochures, posters, social media graphics, and presentations. Graphic designers are also responsible for selecting the appropriate visual elements such as colors, fonts, images, and layout to create a cohesive visual design. Graphic designers often work with clients to understand their needs and requirements. They must be able to communicate ideas and recommendations effectively while considering the client's vision and objectives. Graphic designers are also responsible for managing their projects from start to finish. This includes creating project timelines, communicating with clients, and ensuring that projects are completed on time and within budget. On average, a graphic designer in the United States earns an annual salary of $48,924, ranging from about $40,000 to approximately $75,000. The role of a visual designer is becoming increasingly important in the digital age, as companies strive to create visually compelling and user-friendly digital products. Their work spans a range of mediums, including websites, apps, and digital products, and they must be proficient in various design tools and techniques to create exceptional designs. One of the key responsibilities of a visual designer is to develop the visual identity of a brand or product. They create visual elements such as logos, color palettes, and typography that represent the brand's personality and resonate with the target audience. Visual designers are also responsible for creating marketing materials such as advertisements, brochures, and packaging. Additionally, they use their design skills to create visually appealing and persuasive materials that communicate the brand's message and ensure brand consistency across all materials and products. Visual designers who work in the United States make an average of $77,079 every year, ranging from about $40,000 to approximately $95,000. A motion designer is a creative professional who specializes in designing and creating moving graphics and animations for a variety of mediums, including television, film, video games, and digital media. Their role is to bring static designs to life and create visually stunning and engaging content that captures the viewer's attention. The usual responsibilities of a motion designer are using a variety of software tools to design and animate graphics that can be used in a variety of media. This can include creating logo animations or animating infographics for use in marketing materials. Motion designers are also often responsible for creating visual effects, such as explosions, smoke, and fire, to enhance the visual quality of a project. After creating animations, motion designers usually prepare the files for production, which may include exporting files in different formats or delivering the final animations to the production team. Motion designers who work in the United States make an average of $69,135 every year, ranging from about $35,000 to approximately $120,000. Ultimately, choosing a design career comes down to assessing your personal strengths, interests, and goals, as well as considering what type of design projects you hope to be involved in. With so many possible paths to choose from, it's important to explore all your options before making your next move. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a change after years in the industry, design has something for everyone. So don't hesitate. Take the leap and start exploring this exciting field today.